After machining a part, inspection is necessary to verify the part meets specifications. Inspection of the flange begins with datum A, the flange base. A CMM is suitable to verify flatness of the base surface. First, mount the flange in a 3-jaw chuck with the base surface facing away from the chuck. Move the CMM's arm to contact the surface with the probe at least 3 times in different areas across the surface. It is up to the discretion of the inspector to determine how many contact points are necessary, but generally, larger surfaces require more points than smaller surfaces. The tolerance tightness is a factor as well. The CMM reads and records the location of each point and references with other points. If the total variation between points is less than 1/1000th, the surface passes inspection for flatness.